Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Herbscan for the show. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make BBL Suppository insert. Welcome back guys. If today is your first time of seeing my face or watching my video, welcome. This is Herbscan for the show. We teach on how to make body enhancement products, weight loss products, slimming products, skincare and all that. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to do so, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so once I post amazing videos like this, you'll be notified. Okay, quick one, let's jump into the video. All right, the first ingredient to be using for this BBL suppository insert is gelatin powder. Gelatin powder serves as a base. It makes it strong. Okay, if you have been producing your suppository insert and it's not strong, it keeps melting. This gelatin serves as a corrector to your suppository. Okay, so it helps your suppository to form. It makes it strong for easy insert. Okay, so this gelatin supplies amino acid for collagen production. Okay, so we're using 100 grams of gelatin powder. Okay, the second ingredient we'll be using is reissue. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but reissue or reissue, the name is on the screen, let me not bite my mouth. Okay, the reissue powder will be using 100 grams of reissue powder. Okay, so the third we'll be using is hyaluronic acid. I know a lot of people know this hyaluronic acid. The cosmetic clinics, they have the injection for it, where they inject this hyaluronic acid and it to form bigger and fuller butt side. Okay, now what we are doing, we are adding the powder to this recipe. So this hyaluronic acid plumps the tissue for bigger butts. It's very important for this recipe. If you have been making your recipe, if you have been making your suppository and it's not working, this is the time to try out this recipe and add this hyaluronic acid. It hydrates the skin and plumps the tissue for bigger butt. Okay, so the next is ackee seed. Ackee seed is the traditional spice a lot of women used back then. It's a spice used for food, used for native rice and all that. But traditionally, ackee seed has been used for curves. It helps to stimulate fat cells on your backside, which is your butt and your hips. So the next we'll be using is camel fat. Yes, we have elephant dung oil, we have tallow oil, we have camel fat itself, but it's very hard to get. It provides dense fatty acid and it helps the skin to be thicker. It nourishes the skin and makes it thicker. Okay, that's the work of camel fat. It's very much important. The next to be using is aloe vera. Aloe vera, I love using the fresh aloe vera. Actually, we have the fresh, we have the one you can get in the market and all that. I don't know how they produce theirs, so I love using my own fresh drink production. So you can get fresh, you can get the normal aloe vera you see in the market. This aloe vera is very much important in this recipe. It suits and help deliver nutrients deeper. Like it suits and help deliver nutrients deeper. Okay, we'll be adding evening primrose oil. Evening primrose oil helps with skin elasticity and fat distribution. Okay, for evening primrose oil. Then the next is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha supplies stress balance and hormone regulation, which can regulate where fat is being stored. Okay, 50 grams of ashwagandha. So guys, I have mentioned all the ingredients to be using for this recipe. I repeat, gelatin powder 100 grams, reishi powder 100 grams, hyaluronic powder 50 grams, ackee seed extracts 50 grams, camel fat 50, primrose 100, fresh aloe vera. If you see the normal one, you can still go with it. 100 ml. Calendula, yes, I forgot this calendula oil is very much important. It helps distribute fat in our hip and butt side. Okay, we have ashwagandha 50 grams. You can choose to add preservatives. Okay, how do we produce this? You bring in your gelatin. Remember that gelatin is the base. It helps to make form your suppository and make it strong. Okay, so put it in, mix it with cold water, allow it to sit for like 10, 15 to 20 minutes for it to actually neutralize. Okay, then you bring in you mix all of your powders. After mixing your powders, you put in your camel fat, also add your oils, properly mix properly, then you pour in your gelatin oil, okay, or gelatin water, whatever, gelatin, pour and mix properly. Mix all this. After mixing, then you start mold. Allow it to do not take it to the sun, no, please. After molding, just keep it in room temperature for it to stick. Okay, then how do you use it? This is very very effective. BBL Suppository, one of the most effective body enhancement products so far. Okay, so use one morning and use one at night, preferably at night. Okay, it all depends on the size, but use morning and use at night. Yes, because this recipe is my paid class recipe. I just decided to drop it down here for you guys. Okay, this is the end of this video, guys. If you love this video, give this video a thumb up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Like and share, comment. If you want me to talk about anything, write it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye.